Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. If you are new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Shift here gyms and fitness app inside today need to see this here the reminder screens as well as notification screens you have need to develop here. First of all need to see this here the designs concept need to see here. First of all need to create here the app bars. Then after need to develop this here the workout reminder cells need to develop, and after need to create here the notifications app bars and two notifications row need to develop here. Let's start how to write down inside the shape UI. First of all, need to create here the new folders inside the home screens and to give this here the names as a reminders. Now create here the new groups and to give this here the names as a reminder like this. And also another button groups need to create is a notifications like this here. And now reminder folder inside need to create here the new files and to select here the shift UI view and we need to give this here the name reminder screen and to create this here. And also same as need to create here the notification inside the notification screen like this creates here. And now need to go inside the, and first of all need to create here the Z stack, and now need to set here the new hide extension methods calls here. Now after need to create here the vertical stack, and inside we need to create here the headers for into horizontal stacks. Inside we need to set this here the text and to give this here the titles as a reminder. And now need to set here the fonts and to give this here the custom font regulars and to set here the 18. And now need to set here the max left. Now first of all need to set this here the foreground color for this app bar. Set colors as a white. Then after need to set here the horizontal 20. After need to create here the vertical 15s, and then after need to top shape, top with shapes need to assign here, and also need to give this here the background colors as a color secondary app color like this. Configure here and to set this here the others need to develop here the Z stacks and to give this here the alignments for the plotting buttons need to developing here. First of all set here the bottom padding and remove here the contents like this. And first of all need to create here the button actions, and inside need to create here image, and need to set this here the add big, and now need to set here the resizables and to set here the scale to fit, and now need to set here the frame width 15 and height 15 like this sets here, and to save this here. Now need to see this here the UI and create here the scroll view like this showing here. And also need to import here the needed image. We need to import here first of all inside the image folders, open here, set here, and to set here the single scale like this sets. Now show this here the here plate buttons, and to set here the needed some configurations are the needs here. First of all we need to set this here the buttons as a bottom shape area. Then after horizontal stacks 20 need to set this here and look like this showing here the float buttons. And now need to develop here the lazy horizontal stacks need to develop here. Set here the lazy horizontal stack, vertical stack not horizontal, like this, and also need to give this here the spacing like here, and now need to develop here the spacing as a 15 like this sets. Now need to develop here the V stack and set here space, set here the 0, set here the hashtag, set here the text workout reminder. Now need to set here the fonts, custom font, and we need to set here the semi bolds and to set here the 15, and now need to set here the max left. Now need to create here the toggle on and set here the true, and now need to set this here the labels need to remove here like here. Now then after need to create here the another things, copy here this text and put this here, set here max laps and to set here the reminder time. Yeah, like here. Now need to set here the vertical stack, copy this here the text. Now need to set here the medium font and to set here the 13, and we need to set this here the titles as a repeat, and also need to set here the foreground color. Set this here the foreground colors as a primary app colors like here. Then after need to set this here the another, give this here the text and set here the regular font, and need to set here the secondary text colors. After copy again to paste this here and to set this here the primary text, and need to set here the text as a Monday, then up Tuesday and Friday like this. Set here and to show this here and to set this here the max left like this row, and also need to create here the one buttons for the delete. Remove this here. Now need to copy here this image, paste this here. Now need to set here the 25, also set here 25, and now need to set here the delete like this, show this here. Now need to design this here the borders outlets need to set here. First of all need to give this here the all paddings, 15s need to set here, then after set here the background colors, need to set here the color text bg, and then after need to set here the corner radius, and we need to set this here the 15s. Then after set here the overlay, and we need to configure this here rounded rect radius, we need to set here the 15 and set here the stroke, set here the color, set here the border color, line width, set here 1, and also need to configure this here the horizontal 20, vertical 15s, and bottom safe value like this configures, and to set here this date. Now show like this UI are the done similar to designs, need to set this here and to looking good. Now same as need to create here the notifications. Now need to first of all the copy this list here, and now need to go inside the notification screen, and we need to replace with this inside this hello world, set here notification, and also need to set here the state array, state where list array. Inside we have to put this all notifications text. We need to set this here, copy here, and to paste this here. Now remove this here the paste here, and need to set this here the list array, set here the indexed, and to set this here the list array counts need to use this here, and this value are the configures. Like this UI are the creatings and set here reloads, and to show like this here the our UI, and also need to remove this here the set stack as well as this remove button and remove here, and our XD file designs wise this notification UI as well as need to create here the reminders UI. Both UI are the similar to develop here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.